This is Hewell's Tennessee Battery. They too have two mountain howitzers. One section came in position on this ground about 7 a.m. and opened fire on the rear of Dan McCook's. McCook's the men that invited them come down here, and they could capture themselves a Confederate brigade. And he's leaving here toward Rossville. Soon after this, the battery was engaged against the advance of Cruxton's brigade. Cruxton's brigade is the one that charged on the left and drove them back. Casualties not be given. So the Union here are going to be engaged with forest people. Forest people generally fight afoot, but they can also fight on horseback. Forrest is a rather dynamic leader. He'll kill at least 30 enemy soldiers during the war. He also will kill 2 Confederates who he finds slacking. And Forrest will be reinforced here by McNair and Ector. With the arrival of McNair and Ector, and the 3 cavalry brigades have engaged already, there are too damn many Confederates. So that means that Brannan will pull back, pulling back his 2 advanced infantry brigades, Cruxton's and Connell's. He will commit Ferdinand Vanderveer, one of the 2 men most responsible for seeding the thought on a ride they took toward the park. He took in 1888, when he and his former commanding officer Vanderveer Boynan will say, wouldn't it be wonderful if we had a park that commemorates both sides? Because that park at Gettysburg only commemorates, since it's funded by northern states, only the Union regiments and batteries. So out of this will come the idea for a big barbecue at Crawfish Springs in the anniversary of the battle. That, of course, 89 will be, of course, 36 years since the battle. And they'll have over 10,000 veterans here in a barbecue, and they will vote, both the Union and Confederate veterans, to push for establishment of Chickamauga, Chattanooga National Military Park that will honor the soldiers on both sides. And within 1 year, less than 1 year, President William Henry Harrison, a Union veteran, will sign into law a bill authorizing the power of condemnation and using taxpayer monies to establish Chickamauga, Chattanooga National Military Park, the first national military park. So with the word that Brannan's division is not doing well, General Thomas will go to General Baird and tell him to advance his brigade to try and support General Brannan's people. But they're going to get beaten up even worse in Winfrey's Field, where our next stop will be. Any questions? All right, we'll go to Winfrey's Field now.